Are you still frying eggs the old way and getting results like this every single time? The white is overcooked, the yolk is unpredictable. It's time to try a completely different method. Today, I'll show you 2 ways to cook eggs like never before. Watch till the end and subscribe. Take a pot and pour in some water. We need gentle steam, not a scorching hot pan. Place a strainer on top. It should sit above the water without touching it. Carefully crack the egg directly into the strainer. Add a pinch of salt, just a little for balance, and cover with a lid. Cook covered for 4 to 5 minutes. Do not increase the heat, let it cook calmly. Now open the lid and turn off the stove. And here it is, our perfectly steamed egg, round, smooth, and cooked evenly from edge to center. Take a silicone spatula. Gently run it along the edges. Separate the egg without damaging its shape. And there it is, releasing easily while keeping its perfect texture. Transfer the egg onto a plate. Now for the most beautiful moment, cut into it and look at that perfectly runny yolk. Just look at this beauty, perfectly creamy and absolutely delicious. For the second method, take 2 peeled potatoes. Grate them using a grater. Transfer the grated potatoes into a mixing bowl. Crack 1 egg into the bowl. Season with salt, and if you like, add your favorite spices. Mix everything thoroughly until smooth. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Spread the oil evenly across the surface using a silicone brush or spatula. Carefully spoon the potato mixture into the pan, shaping it into neat rounds. Using a silicone spatula, gently smooth and round the edges. With wooden sticks, gently create a small well in the center of each round. Cover and cook until a golden crust forms. Flip carefully and cook the other side until evenly golden. Cover again and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Gently place an egg yolk into the center of each well. Cover and cook for about 4 minutes more. And now the dish is ready, golden, crisp on the outside and tender inside. Cut into the center and watch the rich yolk slowly flow out. Look at that golden yolk spreading gently over the crispy potatoes. Absolutely mouth-watering. If you like this video, Give it a like and subscribe for more simple and tasty recipes.